You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this historical word from English that is a bit confusing and it sounds a bit like slang, right? But anyhow, let's break down the pronunciation. It's simply pronounced as yeoman, a man holding or cultivating a small landed estate, a freeholder. That's the historical meaning, definition. It's also the name of a software today. Yeoman. Yeoman. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.